Hi everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel Drooling Dishes. Today our recipe is Banoffee Pie. The ingredients are digestive biscuit 50 numbers, melted butter 100 grams, caramel sauce half cup, red banana, you can choose any bananas, lemon, aluminium pie base. First we have to crush all those biscuits in a sealed cover. Don't make it so nice pieces, make it just crumbs. Transfer it to a bowl. Apply melted butter gradually, don't add fully. Mix it well. Transfer those crumbs to the pie base and press it gently. Make sure that all the sides have been covered. Keep in fridge for more than 1 hour. After 1 hour, it is now ready. And we have to top it with bananas and caramel. Cut those bananas into slices. Arrange it. Pack it well. We can use any bananas of your choice. There is no restrictions in this. Squeeze some lemon over the banana so that it will enhance the sweet taste of it. Add the caramel sauce, which is prepared using milk, sugar, butter. Apply evenly. Now I am going to add cream, fresh cream and sugar. I have mixed it well. Don't want to make it so fluffy. Add some chocolate shavings over this. So it will appear nicely. Place that for more than 3 hours or overnight in the freezer. Now it is ready. Remove it from the mold. You can see the drooling dish, which is so melting to see. Slice it into pieces according to your wish. Add some almonds for the decoration. The yummy caramel sauce is oozing out. Taste it with these caramel dishes. The Banoffee pie along with the caramel sauce is yummy to eat. Enjoy it as a feast. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.